serdeczną psią, że być może za kilka lat jakaś mała wystawa o tym właśnie, co zobaczyłam.
A powiedz mi, czy użyłaś kiedykolwiek?
Two smart cars.
They're touching.
Now you know not to buy a Volvo.
That's lots. Almost. Reverse.
Not gonna happen.
Еще плюс к чему, да. Да.
Будуть 1 січня і 7 січня. Все? Слухайте, почекайте, це все.
Що це за неподобство?
Але, є прекрасне але, оскільки Новий рік 2017 випадає на неділю.
За 300 рублей днес западло. Он покупает всегда, приходит фирменная колбаса, фирменная.
Опа!
Ух ты, блин. Ну пипец.
Молодець.
Odbujała kurwa, 190 nie ma setkę. Pana może. Nie to, że bramki nie pukają. To nie działa jeszcze. Trochę zastrzeliłem. Ciekawe jakbym takiej nie zjechał przed swoim pasem, żeby się nie posrała.
车祸撞到了。No po prostu zajebiście.
Come on, mate, let's get it in there. Watch that front of that car. Watch the front. Try again. Come on, that's it. Pull forward. Try again. Here we go. Bearing in mind we've been here for 5 minutes watching this video. Watching this before I started videoing, sorry. Here we go. What's he doing? What's he doing? He is struggling like that. Come on, mate, this time. This time. He can do it. Come on. Oh, pressure. There's another car coming. Look at that angle. Look. Oh, there we go. He's going to get past him. Go on, mate. That's it. Swing it round. Swing it round. Straighten her up. Oh my God. That's it. Come on, mate. Back you come. Come on, mate. You can get in there a bit closer. That's it. Keep coming. Is he parked? He's parked. Oh. Is he finished? He's doing up his window. He must be finished.
This very small vehicle here, two-passenger vehicle, apparently is driving at a high rate of speed. Following close behind is a DPS trooper. This began around the Beltway and Interstate 10, started moving east on Interstate 10 with the DPS trooper following closely behind. If the camera will pull out in just a moment, you'll be able to see that DPS trooper. But right now, that's the only agency we are aware of involved in this particular chase. And for some folks, you might think this is a little bit humorous. A very small car, smart car, which really does not have a high speed on its speedometer, apparently is driving pretty fast with that DPS trooper close behind. It appears that they are moving into a heavily wooded area, maybe a residential area. Don't know exactly which subdivision this might be in, but still on Ella Boulevard. And we might have someone who's trying to obey some of the rules of the roadway, using turn signals as he's about to make these turns. The DPS trooper seems to be getting a little bit closer to the rear of that smart car. And because of the trees, we cannot see exactly what is taking place, but it appears that he has gone into a driveway. Let's see what the troopers do following this. The troopers are moving in, but because of the trees blocking our view, we cannot see exactly what is taking place. But we now have Houston police officers and the DPS trooper. They've taken down the individual who was driving that small smart car. We are looking at the end of a chase in a residential area off Ella Boulevard, but a chase that started around Beltway 8 eastbound on the north side, which then moved to eastbound on Interstate 10. And now it has ended in a residential area near Ella Boulevard. Houston police as well as DPS troopers.